Hello future developers, welcome to another tutorial to ABCD. So today we are going to do something like this, okay, with the help of the knife tool and then the circle, that's a shape. Okay, so all I'll do is if you already have my text selected, okay, so this font style is I think shoe card Gothic, okay. And my font size is 60, you can give it any font size of your choice. Yeah, so with the help of the text tool, you can just type. Okay, just type. Make sure your character is set to, or your font style is set to. So you can use any font style, okay. But I'm using Shukad Gothic. So I'm going to take it out. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. So I'm going to pick so you can use any shape, but I'm going for the circle. Okay, that's the ellipse tool. While holding on shift, I'll draw a perfect circle. Yeah, so make sure your stroke is you don't have your stroke is 0, okay, and then your fill, okay, so we have the fill. So now what I'll do is go for the knife. Okay, so there's a knife. If you are in the basic view, to have this advanced view, you have to go here and then select this and then choose advanced. Okay, the basic view will just give you a few of the tools. Okay, so if you can find the knife, you go for the advanced. It should make a list of all the advanced features or tools that you can use. Okay, so I'm going for the knife tool and then I'm going to just cut, so you can cut anyhow you want. And I'm just cut and then I want. Okay, then select, can use V on the keyboard. Okay, so double click and then I'm separate this 1 2 3 4 5. So with the help of the up arrow key, okay, and then I'll go here to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So depending on the number or the spacing you want, okay, so the down arrow key for this, and then I'll select this. Okay, hold on shift and then select this, and then hold Control Alt and then C. Okay, do same to this. Select this, hold shift, select this, then Control Alt and then C. Okay, do same for this. If you think this is okay, this is a good design for you, you can leave it this way, or let me see, let me give it a color of this. Okay, so if this is okay, you can leave it this way, but that's not what I want to do. I'm going to select this and then select this too. Give it the help of the shift key to multi-select. Control Alt and then C on the keyboard to get this. Okay, so this is how to use the knife tool and then some simple commands on the keyboard to get something interesting as this. Okay, so it could be a logo or anything that you want to express. Okay, so thank you.